Let's talk headshots. You're going to need a business headshot. If you do a Google search for headshots, it's going to come up with drastically different results than business headshots. So find a good local business headshot photographer. You should be able to find one for under $100. They're going to get you a nice crop shot and remove the background. It's important that you make sure they're going to remove the background for you, because if it's not professionally removed, it's going to look all funky whenever you try to overlay your picture on anything, and your headshot is going to go everywhere. If they have an affordable option to add an additional picture, you want a full body shot. That full body shot is going to be useful as well. Not as useful as the traditional headshot, so it's not as important, but make sure you at least get a professional business headshot. The first thing you want to do with that headshot is order your business cards. Most brokerages give new agents free business cards, including EXP. In fact, I'm going to put the link in the description down below if you're an EXP agent, so you can just click on it to order your free 1,000 business cards. So go ahead and get started with that. Get your headshot, get your business cards, and come back for the next video.